Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to display reliable weather and AQI historical data on your WordPress site. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Pages and click Add New. Once you're on the page editor, click the plus icon, search for the historical weather block, and add it to your page. With the block selected, go to the Settings panel on the right. Under the Template tab, you'll see 2 location and date filter presets and 2 weather detail presets. Simply choose the ones that fit your website style and design the best. Next, under the Max Width option, you can set different widths for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Next, go to the Location and Date Filter tab. Here, you can customize the location search, change the search placeholder text, and adjust the filter label along with its position, either left or top. Then, under Historical Data Range, you can choose how many years of past weather data you want to show, based on the API you're using. If you select Weather API, you'll get weather history starting from 2010. If you use Open Weather, you can access data all the way back to 1979, giving you up to 46 years of weather history. Once everything looks the way you want, just hit Publish. Now your visitors can easily check past weather data, up to 46 years back. Now let's move on to the AQI historical data. You can add this block to your page the same way I showed you earlier. With the block selected, go to the Settings panel on the right. Next, open the Location and Date Filter tab. The options here work the same as before, just one difference. For AQI, you can customize the historical data range for up to 4 years. Then, go to the AQI Details tab. Here, you can choose how the detailed data will appear, either as a drawer or a pop-up, depending on what fits your design. Once everything looks good, hit Publish. Now your visitors can easily check past air quality information, up to 4 years back. That's it. That's how you display reliable weather and AQI historical data on your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.